G&G Partners is a dynamic and efficient company experienced in environmental protection with over 20 million square meters of works made with cover-up system, exported in over 24 countries all over the world. Innovation is the key concept for a reliable and affordable system for the waterproofing of large areas. Cover-up are geomembranes made of a high-density polyethylene textile coated on both sides with a triple layer of low-density polyethylene or polyolefins. Cover-up geomembrane's thickness varies from 0.4 to 0.8 millimeters, but have higher tensile and static puncture resistance than other traditional geomembranes, but are much lighter. They are impermeable to liquids and gases, UV stabilized, unalterable, resistant to most chemical agents, tested and certified product. Cover-up system membranes are supplied in large pre-welded panels ready to be deployed. Standard size is 20 by 50 meters, but larger or smaller panels are available. Net down is an anchoring high-density polyethylene net for covering landfills or reclamation sites exposed to atmospheric agents that may jeopardize and cause irreparable damage to the waterproofing cover itself. Cover-up membranes and net down can be thermally bonded by way of hot air welding or sewed. Net down is designed to be extremely effective at neutralizing the wind forces and relevant lifting forces acting on the waterproofing cover-up geomembranes that will resist unaltered to the most extreme wind conditions. Net down by 90% substitute the traditional methods of anchorage, sandbags and tires, often ineffective, not very durable, with expensive deployment costs, and not compliant with environmental standards and health and safety regulations at work. Net down by providing a filtering screen to UV rays up to 60% of the sun rays, increases the durability and resistance of the waterproofing cover-up geomembranes below. Cover-up fields of applications are temporary, definitive, or daily waterproofing of the landfill's surface, securing and remediation of contaminated areas and polluted sites, sheltering of hydrosensitive materials, covering of biopiles and not yet classified soils, radon gas barrier, waterproof lining of reservoirs, ponds, canals, embankments, and any other application suitable for water and gas containment. The cover-up advantages are numerous. Low-cost solution with excellent cost-to-benefit ratio. Drastic reduction of the leachate up to 70%. Increased capitation and improved the quality of biogas. Increase of the available volume of the landfill due to the settlement and compaction of wastes up to 10%. Elimination of odors and dust. Modularity of the capping system. Easy and quick application even in presence of irregular surfaces. G&G Partners services. Prompt supply of all the cover-up and net-down products. Deployment and installation of both systems, also in strict cooperation with the landfill managers. Technical support in the designing and planning of temporary and final capping, waterproofing of polluted sites, ponds, reservoirs, and canalizations for liquid waste containment. Cover-up is also available with added-on details such as reinforced edges, handles, metal eyelets, and hooks, etc. This is an example of an uncovered landfill without capping. Part of the biogas is dispersed in the atmosphere and the gas extracted is mixed with the external. When it rains, the water passes through the waste, producing an uncontrollable amount of leachate. When the landfill is capped with cover-up system, the water is drained apart, so there is no leachate accumulation and the biogas is not dispersed and of much better quality. At the end of its life, the landfill can finally be capped with the cover-up membranes being a waterproof barrier. Cover-up was set up at a site in Istanbul in a 50,000 square meter extensive area where the annual rainfall is 640 millimeters per square meter and 70% becomes leachate. Assuming that the cost for disposal is €20 per cubic meter, the total yearly cost for disposal is €448,000. The cost of capping with the geomembrane and the geotextile is approximately €200,000. The cover-up installation was already paid off in the following 6 months, adding an extra gain for the best quality of the extracted gas. The adoption and installation of the cover-up system makes the landfills much more financially effective, and the profits are very high.